Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we got this Asus TUF motherboard. It's the B450M-Plus gaming motherboard, as it says at the front. But this motherboard is for the AMD CPU I recently unboxed, the 2700X. And this one was quite a good deal. It was only $95. It was at a sale price. So it also comes with a PCIe 16X lanes. So it's quite a good deal for the money. It also has 4 RAM slots. So it's exactly what I need. And yeah, we're just gonna get right into it. So this is the front of the box. This is the side. This is the other side. This is the top. Sorry about the shadows. And this is the bottom. Or not really the bottom, but this is the bottom. Alright, and this is where it kind of explains everything about the motherboard. So if you guys want to read this for yourself, feel free to do so. It also has a little bit of RGB, as you can see, it shows it right here. So it's not very much at all. I believe that's this part right here. But yeah, it's quite a decent motherboard. I believe this is a micro ATX, although I'm not sure. I'm not sure if it's written anywhere over here at the back, but yeah, it's quite a small motherboard, as you can depict from the image. And yeah, we're gonna get this opened right now. Okay, there seems to be some more stuff at the bottom. Oh yeah. Okay, so it comes with the I/O shield right here. It comes with some screws. Oh god, it's unfocused. Not sure what these are for. Some like cables for the hard drives, I believe. Ooh, okay, so there's a CD as well. And there seems to be some, what are these? Battery decals, like some sort of type of sticker. I'm not sure what decals really are, but it comes with those. It comes with a CD, and it comes with this user guidebook. Alright, it's nothing special. Alright, so certification of reliability. Alright. Some warranty, it seems. And yeah, some specific updates about this. Alright, so this motherboard is made for a 2nd gen Ryzen, although it can support 1st gen Ryzen, and I believe also 3rd gen. Although it doesn't say 3rd gen, it does have this little thing that says AMD Ryzen 3000 desktop ready. So I'm assuming 3rd gen can be able to work on this motherboard. So yeah, I'm gonna open up the little what is this called again? Anti-static kind of casing or bag. And there it is. It's quite nice looking. Oh god, it's so extremely unfocused, but it's got this nice little cover to block up all the other components inside. And yeah, it looks quite nice overall. I will have a setup video of this in my own computer coming up soon, so be on the lookout for that. If you guys have any questions about this motherboard, please let me know. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Actually, before that, I'll show you guys the I/O and the back, which there's really much to see there, but yeah, that's gonna be it. And yeah, see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.